Data type tell us that which type of data will be stored in a memory. Since the data type a variable name. How to declare a variables int or number. Int number tell us that number store only integer values, maybe positive or maybe negative. Types of data type in a C language. There are many data types in a C language. Let's discover basic data type int, char, float, double. Integer store only integer values. Character store only characters. Float store only decimal points. Double also store decimal point. Same working like float, but decimal range higher than the float. Derived data types. Let's discover derived data type is a user-defined data type. Let's discuss how array. Array stores similar data type. Array store only single data type in the data, variable name or size. Let's understand by an example. Suppose we have 10 students, 10 marks of math data. How to store? Suppose we are normal where we can't use array. In another way, we create 10 variables of each student. We store each data in a variable. The long process, large amount of memory consumed. So that's why we create an array. We provide the size of data, how much data will be stored in a memory. Example as int array or size 10. I int data type array variable name size 10. We store only 10 values in an array in a static way. Further, store the address of another variable. How to syntax data type string or variable name. How to declare float string or p. Let's understand. Suppose we have declared one array p1. We declare second array p1. P1 store the address of p1. Let's discuss about structure. Structure store multiple attributes of an entity. Attribute may be a homogeneous, either heterogeneous. How to syntax? We create a structure using struct keyword. Structure name, data type, members, declare members name 1, 2, 3. Also create reference of struct keyword to call members of structures. Example: suppose one student have many entities as a student ID, student name, student class, student roll number. I have created a reference S1 to call the members of structures. Let's discover union. Union works same like structure. We store the same similar values and dissimilar values. Syntax using union keyword to declare a union name, data, members. Also create reference. Let's understand by an example. Example: student have many attributes or attributes ID, student name, student class, student roll number. I have also created a reference of S1. Same work like structures. Let's discuss about memory size range regarding data type. It's a 1 byte range -128 to 127. Unsigned char data type 1 byte to -128 to 127. Same range above. Unsigned char 1 byte 0 to 255. Int data type 2 byte range -32,768 to 32,767. Unsigned int 2 bytes, same range above. Unsigned int 2 byte range 0 to 65,535. Data type float 4 bytes, too much range. You can see double 8 memory 8 bytes range, too much high. Long double 10 byte range, too much high. Let's discuss about operators. Operator is a symbol to perform operation. Operation may be arithmetic, logical, or bitwise. Types of operator in a C language. Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator perform arithmetic operation such as multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, modulus. Let's discover relation operator. Relation operator runs between two variables for comparison. Less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, greater than, or greater than, equal to. Shift operator. These operator perform in binary numbers 0 and 1. Logical operator. Let's discover about logical operator. Logical operator. This logical operator works on decision, true or false. For example, let's discover about OR operator. Suppose in a program we have three conditions. Suppose one of them is true, then OR operator is execute. And then let's discover AND operator. Suppose in a program have many four expressions. Suppose four expressions are true, then AND operator executes. Suppose one of them is false, then AND operator not execute. Let's discuss our NOT operator. NOT operator convert true condition to false or false condition to true. Let's discuss our bitwise operator. Bitwise operator perform in binary operation. Let's say bitwise expression x plus y. Bitwise XOR expression AB complement plus A complement of B. Bitwise AND XY. Let's discuss our conditional operator. Let's understand by an example. Suppose A greater than B. Suppose this expression is true, then true block execute. Otherwise, false block execute. Let's discuss about assignment operator. Assignment operator assign the value another variables. Let's understand by an example. So you can see X assign operator 1. How to open it? X equal to X plus 1. Let's see second example. X minus equal to 1. How to express and how to open X equal to X minus 1. And these are operator performed in C language. Let's create a program in a C language.